Tell me when you are ready. Does Simran Singh 2018 exist in your class? Is she a student of your class? Yes, yes, you can talk. Problem. I have not muted anyone. Because I find her joining the class for last 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, should we start now? "51 students have joined so far.
Yes, sir, you can start the class.
Okay, let us start. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so although I have written basic electronics, I will be starting with basic electrical part. Okay. Have you
Sir,
seen
the
the
screen is blank.
Why? Now it is okay.
No, sir, still blank.
Wait.
व्हाइट
The
स्क्रीन ही है
whiteboard
सर,
है।
लिखेंगे उस पे रुको।
No, I have written something actually. Can you see it?
No, sir,
नहीं
not
सर,
visible.
वो तब नहीं
Oh,
दिख
sir,
रहा
it's
है।
not. Sir, it's not visible.
Not visible. Okay, wait. Let me help. Let me see what can I do. Okay, wait 1 second. Let's try again. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर, यस।
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Good.
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
यस सर।
Okay. Thank you. So, have you seen the syllabus for this course? It has two parts: basic electrical and basic electronics. I have been assigned the electrical part, and the electronics part will be taken up by HOD sir probably. Okay. So, have you seen the syllabus? Back to the first question. Have you seen the syllabus?
No, sir.
No. Okay, I will share the. I will open a Google Classroom for you, and I will share the syllabus in that. Okay. So with basic electrical part, we start with something called circuit elements. So what are the circuit elements you are familiar with?
So resistance, capacitor, inductor.
Okay. Resistor, capacitor. Okay, very good. So we did not have resistor.
Have you written something on the board?
Yes, I think so. Why you cannot see? That's the problem because but I was in a class just before that. There nobody had a problem. Can you see now?
No,
Yes, sir.
sir.
No, sir. Yes, sir. As usual.
Sir, it's showing only whiteboard.
Is it the same for all? Because your voice is breaking.
No, sir, it is visible.
Yes, sir. It's visible.
It's visible.
I think there is some problem. There is some problem at your end because I find that the voice is also breaking. So probably we are facing some net issues. So this is the symbol of a resistor. We give it the R. What is the unit?
Ohms.
Ohms. Very good.
Ohm.
Okay. What is the relationship? Voltage current relationship for a resistor?
V equal to IR.
I'm not able to see anything.
I think you are facing some net problem because your voice is also coming broken. So probably I suggest you to disconnect and reconnect. Others can see.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So the problem is probably at your end. So I suggest you to disconnect and reconnect it. Okay. So V equal to IR, the Ohm's law, very famous Ohm's law. Or if time varying, Vt equal to It by R. In this class, at least we will assume that R doesn't change with time. R is fixed. Okay. What is the power dissipated across the resistor?
I square R.
Okay. So Pt equal to Vt into It. And what she said, we can replace Vt by It, R, It. So what she said is correct. This or this, both can be used. Okay. What is the energy dissipated? Say E, that is equal to integral of 0 to
QV.
T, Pt dt. Okay.
I square RT.
Yes, but there is a but. This is true only when I square
Current is
RT is
constant.
exactly if IT equal to I, then we can take this I square out of the integral and get I square RT, what she said. Very good. Right. So these things we have done in school. Okay. Something else we had done in school. That is a series parallel combination of resistors. Okay. So if we connect one resistor of R1 ohms, another R2 up to RN, and we want to replace this n number of resistors by a single resistor R, then what will be R in terms of R1, R2, R3 up to Rn?
Summation of individual
Exactly.
resistance.
That is right. How to show it? How to prove it?
करंट चेंज नहीं होगा इससे
Current change नहीं होगा. Very good. Very
V is
good.
equals to IR वाला voltage is add करो.
We apply a voltage here V. Okay. And we there is a current I. If they are the same, then for the same voltage drop V, the same current is expected to flow, right? So V equal to IR is number 1 equal to V1 plus V2 up to Vn for circuit 2. This is circuit 1, this is circuit 2, right? Now what he rightly said, that is IR1, IR2, IRN. We can take I common, R1 plus R2 up to Rn. Now if we compare between 1 and 2, we get this result, that R equal to summation I equal to 1 to N. All right, okay. Any questions so far?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. The other combination is the parallel combination. So we can connect them like this. This is R1. This is R2. Like this, we can connect up to Rn. Okay. It is the potential difference across all the resistors is V, and the current flowing is I. Okay. And we want to replace this with a single R, so that current is I and voltage drop is same V. So what is R in terms of R1, R2, R3 up to Rn?
1 by R equal to summation of basic.
Exactly, that's right. How to show? This is circuit 1, this is circuit 2. For circuit 2, V equal to IR, very easy. For circuit 1, V is equal to 1. V is equal to what? Let us say the current is I1.
Voltage
I2.
same, right?
Exactly, voltage same रहेगा, absolutely right. IN, that is I1 R1, sorry, equal to I2 R2 equal to.
Sir, sorry to
I1.
interrupt.
Yeah, tell me.
Students are in the lobby. Can you please give them the access
Oh
required?
yes, one student is waiting. And is there anyone else?
No, sir. Just
Okay,
one
okay.
person.
Okay, thank you. So I1 equal to V by R1, I2 equal to V by R2. This way, IN should be V by Rn. Now, I equal to I1 plus I2 up to IN. So V by R equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by Rn. So that means that what you said is correct. 1 by R is equal to I understood N 1 by R. Okay. Very good. All of you agree? Somebody is waiting. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All of okay. So it is. And the person who are having difficulty, is she back? Somebody was, I couldn't find her name. Somebody was having problems. So is she back in the class?
Yes, sir. It's fine now.
It's fine now. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So let us consider this network. Just revision of what you have already studied. This is X, this is Y, this is 4 ohms, 3 ohms, 2 ohms, 2 ohms. What is the equivalent resistance between X and Y?
Eight.
1, 4. No, 8 is not right.
Yes, sir. 8, sir.
Are you sure it is 8?
Sir.
Anybody else have any other answer? One answer is 8 ohms. Is one answer. Anybody having any other option? Or all of you agree it is 8?
Sir, two.
Sir, 1.
1. Okay.
it's 2.
2 ohms. 3 is 1 ohms. Let us find out how to approach this problem.
सर पहले 2 और 2 ohms का जो है वो तो पैरेलल रेजिस्टेंस में है।
बहुत सही बात है। तो
हाँ,
parallel-
फिर जो
एक
equivalent
सेकंड
resistance है।
एक सेकंड
अच्छा अच्छा
हुआ अब?
हाँ सर, इसके बाद 3 और 1 ohms सीरीज में आ रहा है।
बिल्कुल सीरीज में आ रहा है। तो हुआ। फिर
सर जो इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस है वो 4 के साथ पैरेलल है।
so this is the right answer.
Right.
Anybody else? This is the correct answer. This one. Anybody else? Some want to say something? ठीक है? Anybody wants to say something? Add something? Are you there? Because I can't hear anything.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anybody wants to say anything? Or all of you agree?
No, sir.
Okay. So register is okay for the time being. We will come back very soon. But for a time being, okay. Okay, what is next? The other circuit element? Any other circuit element?
Batteries and capacitors.
Capacitor.
Battery, okay, later. Battery we will discuss. Battery deserves a what happens? No. Chat. Clearly visible. I will be joined. Okay, inductor. Okay. Yes, inductor is also right. Let us take capacitor first, then we'll go inductor. This is the symbol C. Units. What is the unit?
Coulomb.
Hey.
Farads.
Named after? Named after whom?
Michael Faraday.
Michael
Faraday.
Yes. So what was his contribution, Michael Faraday? Do you know? Does anybody know? Why Michael Faraday is famous?
So he has one law, Faraday's law.
Yes. And what does it
सर
say?
उसमें वो
उसमें?
सर वो
हाँ,
So
ये-
Faraday
Michael-
wasn't from.
अच्छा, if you want, you can speak in Hindi and Bengali. I have no issue.
So Faraday wasn't from a rich family, but in the modern
Very
society,
good.
he proved that capacitance is rather good from batteries in the modern world.
Faraday's famous is Faraday's law, and there are many others. Okay, so Farad. SI unit is Farad, right? What is the VI equation for capacitor?
Q is equal to CV.
Q is equal to CV. Very good. But here it is Q, not I. So how to get I from this?
Q is
Q is equals to IT
So
over.
we differentiate it with
We
respect to
differentiate
time.
it with respect to time. Absolutely correct. IT equal to d dt qt. That is d dt c vt. So that is v d dt of c plus c d dt of v. Okay. Once again, in this class, we assume that c doesn't change with time. Okay, c is fixed. So it is c dvt by dt. This is the VI relationship. Okay, or Vt equal to 1 by c integral it dt. Okay. What is the power dissipated or stored, whatever? Vt equal to Vt it. That is equal to Vt. Sorry, not one. C dVt by dt. That is C Vt dVt by dt. Okay. Now let us consider a capacitor, okay, which is initially uncharged at t equal to 0, V, this is V, Vc equal to 0 volt. At t equal to capital T, Vc equal to V naught. So what is the energy stored in the capacitor? The capacitance is of course C farads. What is the energy
Half
stored in
CV square.
half CV square? How to get half CV square?
Insert a battery and apply
Integrate.
KVL.
Integrating V with respect to T.
E is equal to what we see pt dt from t equal to 0 to t equal to t. Okay. Now we replace pt from the above equation. C, we have assumed that it does not change with time, so we can safely put C out. Vt, dvt, dt, dt gets cancelled out, so we have C. At time t equal to 0, V is 0. At time t equal to t, V is V naught. So we have V dV. So that is half C V naught square. Okay. This is the energy stored across the capacitor. In the capacitor, how the energy is stored? How the energy is stored inside the capacitor? In what form? Two people are waiting. Wait.
In the form of electric field.
Very good. In the form of the electric field between the capacitor plates. Very good. Very good. Okay. I have got a capacitor whose capacitance is 50 microfarads. Okay. Usually capacitors which we see we are in capacitance in microfarads, very rarely in millifarads. Okay. So I have a capacitor of 50 microfarad. Okay. And I am giving some current. The VI relationship is like this. This is VC and this is T. This T is in milliseconds and VC is in, of course, in volts. So our curve is like this. This is 20 volts and this is 10 millisecond. Question is find IT. You understand the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this is a straight line. Okay. This is a straight line. The V and T relationship is a straight line. How to find I?
Sir, here I will be equal to VC by T into C.
I will be equal to IT will be equal to C dVC. This one you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How to find dVC by dt from the graph?
Sir, by calculating the
Slope
slope.
of the graph.
Excellent. So calculate it.
Slope is 2.
Careful. Look at. Be careful about the units. Very careful about units. What will be the slope?
0.002.
0.002, or this is C is 50 microfarads, so 50 into minus 6 farads. This is 20 by 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay, so this is 50 10 to the power of minus 6, 20 10 to the power of minus 2. So 50 10 to the power of minus 4 into 20. That is 0.1 amps. Are you getting the same answer?
Sir, 10 to the, yes, sir.
हाँ सर ये तो
Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you agree?
Yes, sir.
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. Okay, next person said Joydeep Goswami. He said it is inductor. Text is inductor. Very good. What is the unit?
Henry.
Henry. Very good. Actually, we should write small h. Why? Because if we had capital H, then we are writing the name of the scientist, not the unit. Okay. So either we should write H, capital H, small h. This we can write this or this. Okay. Oh, just one thing I forgot. Series parallel capacitor, the combination of capacitor. This I forgot to discuss. I have C1, C2, C3 up to Cn. I want to replace this with the equivalent C. So what will be C in terms of C1, C2, C3 up to Cn?
1 by C1 plus 1 by
Right.
C2.
1 by C1 plus 1 by
Exactly.
C2.
Exactly. How to find? How to prove that?
सर Q
Charge
तो
will
यहाँ
be
पे
same in all the
कांस्टेंट रहेगा ना,
capacitors.
क्या
V
कांस्टेंट
change
रहेगा?
होते रहेगा।
V change होते रहेगा. Very good.
Charge.
हाँ
So let us put some charge Q on this capacitor, okay? And we say that the voltage is V. So Q equal to CV, right? Here also we put some charge Q, okay? And the voltage is V, right? So if there is Q, there is minus Q. Of course, this will be electrically neutral, so here will be Q, minus Q, and so on, right? This is a charge distribution, okay? So V should be equal to V1 plus V2 up to Vn, right? But that should be Q by C1, Q by C2 up to Q by Cn. So combining this and this, 1 by C would be equal to summation right? I am not doing the, should I do the parallel one, or you will be able to do it yourself? The parallel
sir.
one, C will be
So
C1
we
by
will
C2.
do it.
We will do it, okay. Fine. Tell me when 5 minutes are remaining. Then we will take a 2-minute break and come back with a new. The link will remain the same, okay? The link will not change. You can join after this meeting time is over by Zoom. You can, after 2 minutes, you can join using the very same link. Link will not change. Okay. So it is right. So what is the VI relationship for an inductor? What is the VI relationship for an inductor?
So V is equals to L di by dt. ना?
V equal to L di dt, absolutely. Okay. Or IT equal to 1 by L dt dt. PT equal to VT IT equal to L IT TID dt. Just wait for 1 second. Okay, students, we are taking the break now. Okay, I'm closing the class and we will, after 5 minutes, we'll come back in the same link. Okay, I think it is already 3 minutes. Okay, so we are 5 minutes for meeting on the same link. Thank you.